Welcome to our deep dive into MitoLyn review, the biggest pros and cons. Today, we're unraveling whether this mitochondria-focused weight loss supplement really works or if it's just hype. First, let us cover the marketing pitch. MitoLyn claims to unlock your metabolism by targeting low mitochondria levels. It's sold as a proprietary blend of 6 exotic plant-based ingredients: maki berry, rhodiola, Haematococcus astaxanthin, amla, Theobroma cacao, and Schisandra, promising calorie burn, energy boosts, and metabolic rejuvenation. MitoLyn. On the positive side, MitoLyn is manufactured in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities in the USA using non-GMO, plant-based ingredients, and offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. MitoLyn real-world reviews suggest increased energy, appetite control, and gradual fat loss over time, especially when paired with healthy habits and long-term use, not short trials. Verified users report improvements by month 2, energy shifts beginning in month 1, and more sustainable changes by month 3 and beyond. Now, what about the cons and scientific scrutiny? The formula is a proprietary blend, meaning exact dosages are undisclosed. This makes it impossible to verify if each ingredient is included at an effective level. While ingredients like L-carnitine, CoQ10, and PQQ and other metabolism supplements have modest scientific support, there's no clinical trial data specific to the MitoLyn formula itself. Most results reported are small and incremental, not the dramatic transformations advertised. Counterfeit reviews also muddy the waters. Many negative customer experiences stem from unauthorized retailers selling diluted or fake products, not the official MitoLyn, leading to distorted online reputations. Then there's the cost. A single bottle runs approximately $79. And while bulk packages reduce cost per bottle, consumers may still invest several $100s for relatively modest benefits. You must weigh those incremental gains against the financial investment. Finally, side effects appear minimal. Most users don't report major adverse reactions, but high-dose L-carnitine can cause mild upset, and some components might interact with medications. Consulting a healthcare provider before starting is always advisable. So how do we sum up the biggest pros and cons? On the plus side, manufacturing transparency, quality ingredients, potential for gradual metabolic and energy support, positive user feedback when using long-term, and a refund guarantee. On the downside, proprietary blend with unknown dosage, no independent clinical trials specific to the formula, modest and slow results, high cost relative to benefit, and risk of counterfeit products if purchased from third parties. In conclusion, is MitoLyn worth trying? If you're committed to a gradual, long-term approach, purchase directly through the official site and align it with healthy routines. There's a chance of modest metabolic support and improved energy. But if you expect quick, dramatic fat loss or energy boosts, this probably won't meet expectations. For real, lasting change, evidence-based diet, exercise, and medical guidance remain the most reliable path. Thanks for listening to our MitoLyn review. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more unbiased supplement reviews, and hit the bell for updates. See you next time.